Hello students, nice to meet you back. So, this is the seventh problem in the series which we work. Bangalore Shoe Company has a branch at KGF. The following are the transactions between the head office and the branch during the year 2008 and 9. Prepare KGF branch account in the books of head office. Stock at branch on 1st April is nothing but opening stock will come in debit side. Petty cash at branch on 1/4/2008 is nothing but opening petty cash debit side. Checks sent to branch can be read as check received by branch will come in debit side. So the branch have received check for 3 expenses, for salary, for rent and for petty expenses. So the branch have received check 3,300 will come in debit side. Cash remitted to head office is nothing but cash paid to head office. Remitted is nothing but paid to head office will come in credit side. Goods received from head office will come in debit side. This can be read as goods received by branch office, but actually goods received from head office can also be reread as goods received by branch office. So debit side. Then we have closing stock credit side, closing petty cash credit side. So very easy and simple problem, students. This is the answer. So we have opening stock, opening petty cash, goods received by branch, check received by branch, debit the receiver, then remitted to head office, that is paid to head office by bank, closing stock, closing petty cash, total of credit side minus debit side, you get a net profit of 1,900. So 8th problem in the series, 2011 question paper. From the following particulars, prepare branch account showing the profit or loss from the branch. Opening stock will come in debit side. Goods sent to branch can be read as goods received by branch, debit side. Cash sales will come in credit side, because whatever cash received by the bank from sale will come in credit side, because it has to be remitted to head office. Expenses 3,000 will come in debit side. That means branch will receive cash 3,000 for expenses will come in debit side. Closing stock could not be ascertained. Catch the point, students. They didn't mention that closing stock is not available. Closing stock is available, but it is not able to calculate. So it is not possible to calculate the closing stock. That's the information given. So you need to calculate closing stock. So closing stock could not be ascertained, means closing stock could not be calculated. But they are giving some clue to calculate closing stock. But it is known that branch usually sells goods at cost plus 25%. So branch generally, commonly sells goods at 25% on cost. So that means it's 1/4 on cost. How you get 1/4 on cost? 25 divided by 100. How many 25 are there in 100? 4. Then it's 1/4 on cost. But we don't have cost of sale. We have cash sale. So 1/4 on cost. Then it's 1/5 on sale. So sale is 55,000. So 55,000 into 1/5. As explained earlier, 25% on cost is nothing but 1/4 on cost. 1/4 on cost is 1/5 on sale. So therefore, you can able to calculate the profit 55,000 into 1/5. So with help of profit, you can calculate closing stock as you did in fire insurance. So in fire insurance, you will calculate GP and then you will calculate stock on the date of fire. Similar way, calculate the profit and then calculate the closing stock. So how to calculate the profit? Sale into 1 by 5. The manager is entitled to a commission of 10% on the profit of the branch before charging such commission. So you need to calculate commission at 10% on profit. So students, this is the answer. Opening stock 1000, then goods received by branch 50,000, then bank expenses 3,000, then cash sales 55,000. Now we'll stop here. Next let us go to working note. Net profit. So student, they have mentioned 25% on cost. How many 25 are there in 100? 4. 1 by 4 on cost. Then you take 1 by 5 on sale. Sale on the top we have 55,000. So 55,000 into 1 by 5, you get profit 11,000. Okay students, profit is 11,000. So profit is calculated on sale. 1 by 5, 11,000. So 11,000 is a profit before commission. So 11,000 includes commission. I repeat, 11,000 includes commission. That means commission 10% is included. So this 11,000 includes manager commission, that is 100 plus 10. That is, if profit is 100, commission is 10%. So 100 plus 10, 110. I repeat, 11,000 is a profit which includes commission. So profit is 100, commission is 10%. So 100 plus 10, it is 110. So this 11,000 includes two value of profit and value of commission. So you calculate commission first. 11,000 into 10% divided by 110. 11,000 into 10% divided by 110. Why 110? Because 11,000 includes two value. 110 also includes two value. So you get commission 1000. Out of 11,000, commission is 1000. Then remaining 10,000 will be the profit. You can cross verify students what they have mentioned in the question. Commission is 10% on profit. So 10,000 into 10% you get 1000. So either way you get the answer. See, 11,000 into 10 divided by 110, you get manager commission 1000. Then remaining profit 10,000. Total the debit side, you get a gross closing stock of 10,000. So ninth problem students, X Limited invoices goods to its branch at cost. From the following particulars, prepare branch account for the year ended 31/3/17 in the books of head office. Branch stock on 1/4/16 is nothing but opening stock debit side. Branch stock on 31/3/17 is nothing but closing stock credit side. Branch debtor on 1/4/16 debit side. Branch debtor on 31/3/17 credit side. Cost of goods sent to branch debit side. Read as goods received by branch debit side. Sales at branch, there are totally two sales. Cash sales 1,80,000 will come in credit side. Whatever cash branch receives should be remitted to the head office, should be paid to head office. So it will come in credit side. Credit sales 2,93,000, ignore, don't take. Reason, credit sales will not come in branch account. It will come in debtors account, but no need to prepare debtor account because they have given you opening debtor, closing debtor. So no need to prepare debtor account. Cash received from debtor during the year, whatever cash branch receives, it should pay back to head office. So it will come in credit side. So two amount the branch have to pay back to head office. One, cash sales other cash received from debtor. So these two amounts should be paid to head office. Branch expenses paid by head office read as branch expenses received by head office. Sorry, branch office. So that means cash received by branch for expenses, debit side. So this is the answer, students. Credit sales will not come in branch account. It will come in debtors account. So two amount is to be remitted to head office, then closing debtor, closing stock, opening debtor, goods received by branch and cash received by branch towards expenses. You get a net profit of 1,05,180. Students, any doubts? Contact me. Thank you.